Welcome back to the Source Garage, and as you can see behind me, the Cadillac got a little bit of an upgrade. So I actually put the Cadillac on the market after I finished that interior detailing video, and it sold on the first day. Believe it or not, guy just happened to be looking for one, came and picked it up the next day. Absolutely crazy, and only a couple weeks later, here I am with a new 2015 C7 Z06. And I had a pretty specific list of things I was looking for actually, and I got super lucky and found one that I was looking for with everything that I wanted on. So let me show you around it. So I really wanted to get something that was Arctic white or black and had the manual transmission. That was the thing I absolutely had to have. And I really wanted to get the carbon fiber interior package, competition seats. This has the stage 2 aero on it, has a exposed carbon fiber weave on the hood here, and it's got the stinger stripe, or sorry, that was the roof of the car, stinger stripe on the hood, and I wanted a coupe, not a convertible. So this checked all the boxes. It's not a 2016 or 2017 that comes with the upgraded cooling. Thankfully this is, like I said, a manual, not an automatic, so I shouldn't have to worry about that too much. It doesn't have a front-facing camera. It doesn't have the auto-latching trunk, but those are just some niceties that I kind of decided I could do without. But the interior is a 3LZ trim, so I got the nice leather everywhere. Got the competition seats, which I know don't really add anything performance-wise. I just thought they looked really cool and was happy to find them. And then the carbon fiber dash. So I'm super happy. This is the most fun car I've ever had. It is just an absolute blast to drive. I've never had anything like this before. It's just so much fun, so much better than the CTSV. I just enjoy taking it out every chance I get. Although I'm trying to get the hang of the clutch, which out of first gear is notoriously a little bit messy to deal with. And as you might have seen as I walked around the side of the car on the other side here, I got some mods that are already piling up. So ACS Composite has got 3 boxes here. I've got another few on the way still, I believe, from some other places. So I'll reveal those in due time of what I'm going to do cosmetically to the car. And that's really just for this year. Before the fall, I'm going to do some cosmetic mods. Actually, let me set the camera down here and you can see me and I'll kind of explain what I'm going to be doing here. All right, that's better so I don't have to walk around holding that so much. So what I'm doing with this car right now for this year at least is just the cosmetic mods. I think I've bought about $3,000 worth of different things. Some of it's for paint protection, some of it's just for looks. So those will be here in the next week or so. And I'm going to do a whole bunch of stuff with that. I'm going to do a full detail on this just like I did with the CTSV, right? So decon, polishing, compounding, ceramic coating, you know, the whole works to get it looking as pristine as possible, put the mods on it, and really just cosmetically make this look like my ideal car, going with the white and black on everything. And if I might give you a hint of some of the mods I'm doing, but the plan would then be next year is actually do more mechanical mods. So I'm still really deciding how much I want to do, how big of a build I want to go with, how much of the engine I want to take out, and what I want to do to it. And this will be my first venture, getting more so into the mechanical side of this. So I'm working on that. If anyone has any suggestions, link to builds. You know, I'm not looking to do a 1,200 horsepower, you know, absolute monster, but I'm thinking somewhere in the 750 to 1,000 range, somewhere there, the 1,000 being the top end of where I'd go. And I'm not really sure if I want to invest that much to get to that level, because I know there's kind of a step between the 800 to 900 to get up to 1,000, where you really got to throw something like a Magnuson 2650 on here, or something a lot bigger to get to that level. So I'm going to work on it and think about it over the winter and see what I want to actually do. So I also, on the channel, at least beyond just getting this car now, so that'll be a whole series, I'm getting a lift. I got oh man, I've been thinking about this for weeks now, I can't remember what it is. The twin busch, yeah, the twin busch S3 or T19, whatever. I'll put it on the screen here. Same one Obsessed Garage has. It's a great product. I looked a long time for lifts, debating between if I wanted the 2 posts or the scissor lift, and because I want to do detailing, I kind of had to go towards the scissor lift, and it'll help me a lot with, I'm going to start doing more cars, trying to get some more friends with cool cars in here, and do detailing for them as well. So the twin bush double scissor lift car will be going in here, probably right about where I'm sitting. I got to figure out the exact positioning in the garage here, so that'll be coming, I think next week it's scheduled for delivery. So I'll have a little bit of an install on that, although nothing's gonna ever topple it like Obsessed Garage's long in-depth video on that. But anyway, I'll do my own little variant of it to get that in here. I got some other videos I'm just shooting today. It's been really hot here in Wisconsin, surprisingly. We either get like rain and cold and depressing, or it's 90 degrees outside and insanely humid, and right now I'm probably sweating and glistening on camera, because it's about 90 and sunny out right now, and it is going to be for the next several weeks. So I'll be out here just in the heat doing what I can. So today, and I'm going to be working on Detailer's Domain mystery box unboxing. I think I'm going to film that next. I have one on wash mitts. I've done a whole bunch of thinking about wash mitts and my process and what I use, and the mitts you've seen me use in my videos. I'm going to have a whole breakout on that in the same kind of depth that I did with the grit guards. So that's going to be really in-depth, doing that kind of stuff. On brushes for your wheel detailing brushes. So I have my favorites, and I'm going to try and get some. I'm trying to bring more products to the Source Garage store. My detailing bucket is on the way. If you saw my $100 bucket video I did a while back, well, I finally bit the bullet and bought some, so those are on the way here. Cyclo Shine stand upgrade on the way. That's still a couple months out before I can show anything about that, patent work and all. What else I got coming? So you got the wash mitts, unboxing, you got a lift, I got a whole series in the car with the mods, detailing the car. Oh, the wheel cleaner testing. Actually, let me grab it, show you what I'm doing right now. So I got Petri dishes, pH testing unit, so I can go through and do all of my like iron oxide testing to see which cleaners have the iron removers in them. I got pH testing so we can see what the pHs of all these actually are. Obviously I got my cabinet with all my wheel cleaners in them, as you can see, another mess of stuff. I really need to organize this thing. I've not done that in a while. Got a bunch of detailing brushes you can see here, so I'll be doing a video on these, and that's actually I think about half what I have. I got a whole nother bin of wheel cleaning tools down here, so I'll be going over that at some point. So a lot of stuff in the works. Got more Amazon boxes with more surprises to come in the future of other stuff I'm testing. Oh man, there's so much stuff going on right now. Got a table saw just came in, so I can start working on another project that again will be revealed in due time. So lots of stuff going on here, but so happy to have this car, at least new highlight of my channel at least. God, this thing is just so great. I can't describe how much of an improvement it is over the CTSV. And I still got to do stuff with the motorcycle, which I've taken out for a number of drives now this year. Just, you know, being outside on anything with an engine is just a good time. So, well, if you're listening to my whole rant, thanks for watching. I've actually come up with a new stupid slogan now, you know, because you got to have something to end the video with. So the stupid slogan that I have come up with is support the source. Yeah, so as I get more products onto my site and the store, and I'm doing more stuff here, that's going to be the new lame logan that I'll end the videos with. So I'll say support the source, visit thesourcegarage.com and check out what I have going on there. And thanks for watching.